Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to increase Instagram followers. Now, I personally do not recommend these things because what happens is you don't only get followers, but you also need to follow other accounts. And if you try to do it way too much, then Instagram might spam your account. But I'll show you an account for example. So right now we have 130 followers on this. So if I go to Google and I search for increase Instagram followers, and then the first one, instafollowers.co, we tap on this one. Now what you need to do is put in your username. So this is mine. So this is the follower quantity, and then click on get free followers. As you can see, this is loading. Your transaction is queued. Please do not close the page while the transaction is in process. So you could, as you can see, Instagram likes 250. You could also buy any post likes, TikTok followers, video views, TikTok likes, even YouTube likes can be bought just for $1.79, things like that. So yeah, we're loading 52. Let's see if it is updating in real time. Okay, still not updated. We'll wait for this to load completely. As you can see, it has been loaded. So security check, let's go through that. Please make sure your account is public. So I think what they're going to do is put in my account, and I have to wait for a minimum half an hour probably to get those 10 followers. And also your following number will get increased. So you have to take care of that you are not indiscriminately following random people. But yeah, this is the process and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.